I'm Robbie with Venture RV. Today we're going to go over how to hook up your sewer hose and empty your black and gray tank. First, before we get started, we want to make sure that we've got a pair of gloves before we touch anything. So let's do that now. So now that we've got our gloves on, let's go to the road side of the trailer and locate our termination. This is going to be located towards the rear of the trailer. If your model does not have it at the rear, it may be at the front. So once we've located our termination, we will come and remove the outside cap. That way we can attach our sewer hose to the termination. So now that we've got our sewer hose in hand, we're going to come to the termination and we will apply some pressure and turn it clockwise until it locks on. Once we've got it locked on, we will go to the other end and hook it up to our campsite. So now that we've got it hooked up to the campsite, we want to make sure it's graded properly from the trailer. And we want to make sure this is a negative grade over to the campsite. You can pick up supports from your local dealership. If you need information, I would contact your local dealership or the camp zone that you're at. So now that we've got our sewer hose hooked up, we want to come to the termination. Depending on what model it is that you have, your release valves will either be at the termination or they would be through the frame. This particular model, it's going to be through the frame. We want to pull the release valve on the black. Once we release the valve on the black, then we will proceed to the gray. Now that we've got both of those draining at this time, we will let those drain complete. After they've drained complete, we will close those back. We want to make sure that we allow these to remain closed while you're camping. We don't want anything to build up on the inside or around the edges of the termination during your camping time. You want to make sure that you come out here whenever those get filled and release those in a timely manner. If you don't release these at those times, there's potential that you could have overflow sewage on the inside of the trailer. So come outside and release one at a time in the same sequence and then close them to complete the process. Once you finish camping, you'll come outside and you'll reverse the process. On removing, you'll turn it counterclockwise to remove your sewer hose, and then you will do the same process at your campsite. For more tricks and tips like these, go to venture-rv.com in the owner section for more information.